Do you want to automate tasks, build apps without coding, and turn your data into powerful insights? Microsoft Power Platform can transform the way you work. Microsoft Power Platform is a suite of low-code tools designed to simplify technology for everyone. It enables you to create apps, automate workflows, and analyze data effortlessly. Power Apps allows you to create custom applications using an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. You don't need advanced coding skills, but you can build powerful apps. A sales team built a custom app to track customer interactions in just hours, saving weeks of traditional development time and improving collaboration. Power Automate is your personal assistant for automating repetitive tasks. It eliminates manual effort and frees up your time for more strategic work. A company automated invoice approvals using Power Automate, reducing processing times by 50% and improving accuracy. Power BI is your go-to tool for turning raw data into actionable insights. It creates interactive dashboards and reports. A retail chain used Power BI to visualize sales trends, identifying best-selling products and optimizing inventory management. Businesses love Power Platform because it's cost-effective, time-saving, and empowers users to take control of their technology. It democratizes innovation. Explore the pre-built templates in Power Apps or Power Automate to get a feel for how these tools work. Connect Power BI to your existing data sources and start creating your first dashboard. Power Platform is a game changer for anyone looking to work smarter and more efficiently. Let's simplify technology together.